Welcome student. In today's lecture we are going to discuss about the concept incomplete dominance from the chapter inheritance and variation. As we all knew that Gregor John Mendel, who was considered as a father of genetics, he gave the laws of inheritance. After the Mendel, so many scientists work on the pattern of inheritance and they found that there is some deviation from Mendel's law of inheritance. Okay, Karl Koren, he was German botanist and he discovered the concept of incomplete dominance. And for his experiment, he selected a 4 o'clock plant. Okay, 4 o'clock plant which is whose botanical name is Mirabilis jalapa. You can see the plant in our first slide. See, this is the 4 o'clock plant. While Mendel's work laid the foundation of genetics, it was German botanist Karl Koren who is credited with the actual discovery of incomplete dominance. In the early 90s, Koren conducted similar research on 4 o'clock plants. In his work, Koren observed a blend of color in a flower petals. Student, मेंडलने जेव्हा मोनोहायब्रिड क्रॉस केलेला होता त्यामध्ये त्यांनी काय केलं की सिंगल कॅरेक्टर कन्सिडर केलं होतं सच ॲज अ हाईट ऑफ अ प्लांट ज्यामध्ये टॉल प्लांट जो आहे तो डॉग प्लांट सोबत क्रॉस केलेला F1 जनरेशन मध्ये मेंडलला सगळे प्लांट्स हे टॉल मिळाले दॅट मीन्स टॉलनेस that trait is expressed and tallness is the dominant trait over a darkness. So, कार्ल कोरेननी जेव्हा एक्सपेरिमेंट 4 o'clock प्लांट वरती केला ज्यामध्ये टू काइंड ऑफ फ्लावर्स आपल्याला पाहायला मिळतात रेड कलर फ्लावर अँड व्हाईट कलर फ्लावर कार्ल कोरेननी या रेड कलर फ्लावर आणि व्हाईट कलर फ्लावर मध्ये जेव्हा क्रॉस केला त्यावेळी F1 जनरेशन मध्ये त्यांना ना रेड ना व्हाईट असे दोन्ही कलरचे फ्लावर भेटले नाही तर F1 मध्ये त्यांना पिंक कलरचे फ्लावर्स मिळाले दॅट मीन्स ही फाउंड अ ब्लेंड ऑफ कलर्स इन अ फ्लावर पेटल्स या दोन कलरच्या मधला रेड अँड व्हाईट कलरच्या मधला दॅट मीन्स इंटरमिडिएट कलर त्यांना पाहायला मिळाला त्याचबरोबर त्यांना काय लक्षात आलं की red color and white color both expresses partially in F1 generation. So, the alternative names of incomplete dominance are mosaic inheritance, intermediate inheritance and partial inheritance. Note down again the alternative names of incomplete dominance are mosaic inheritance, intermediate inheritance and partial inheritance. Let us see the definition of incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance is a form of intermediate inheritance in which one allele for a particular trait is not expressed completely over its paired allele. So, incomplete dominance हा जो काही इनहेरिटन्सचा पॅटर्न आहे यामध्ये काय होतं की आपल्याला माहितीच आहे प्रत्येक कॅरेक्टर एका जीननी कंट्रोल केला जातो आणि त्या जीन मध्ये दोन अलील्स असतात त्यापैकी मेंडलनी जे सांगितलं होतं की वन अलील इज डॉमिनंट अँड अदर इज रिसेसिव्ह बट कार्ल कोरेननी जेव्हा एक्सपेरिमेंट परफॉर्म केला त्यावेळी त्यांना काय लक्षात आलं की काही ठिकाणी इनहेरिटन्स पॅटर्न जो आहे तो इंटरमिडिएट आहे ज्यामध्ये जीनच्या दोन अलील पैकी कुठलाही एखादा अलील स्वतःला कंप्लीटली एक्सप्रेस करू शकत नाही ओव्हर इट्स पेअर्ड अलील म्हणजे एक अलील कंप्लीटली डॉमिनंट किंवा कंप्लीटली रिसेसिव्ह असा पाहायला मिळत नाही So again, incomplete dominance is a form of intermediate inheritance in which one allele for a particular trait is not expressed completely over its paired allele. Okay, that means both allele expresses partially and the phenotype is intermediate to the two alleles. So in incomplete dominant, both allele of the gene express themselves partially. Right? दोन्ही allele जे आहेत ते स्वतःला partially express करतात. Then one allele cannot suppress the expression of the other allele completely. इथे कुठलाही एखादा allele दुसऱ्या alleleच्या कॅरेक्टरला किंवा ट्रेटला completely suppress करत नाही. And in such a cases there is intermediate expression in F1 generation. That means in F1 generation we found the phenotype which is intermediate to parent's plant or a parent. Then what are the classical example of incomplete dominance? Carl Coren performed the experiment on a flower color of 4 o'clock plant, which is known as Mirabilis jalapa. See here. If a red colored flower, if a red flower whose genotype is R plant is crossed with a white flower whose genotype is r plant, then F1 offspring have a pink flowers. ओके, मेंडलचा लॉ ऑफ डॉमिनन्स काय सांगत होता की समजा टॉल आणि डॉग प्लांटचा तुम्ही घेतला आणि त्यांचा क्रॉस केला तर F1 जनरेशन मध्ये सगळे आपल्याला टॉल प्लांट्स पाहायला मिळतात. दॅट मीन्स जो डॉमिनंट प्लांटचं कॅरेक्टर आहे ते एक्सप्रेस होतं. बट इन अ मिराबिलिस जलापा दॅट इज 4 o'clock प्लांट आपल्याला काय पाहायला मिळतं, जेव्हा रेड कलर फ्लावर व्हाईट कलर फ्लावर सोबत क्रॉस केला जातो त्यावेळी F1 जनरेशन मधले सगळे फ्लावर्स जे आहेत ते पिंक कलरचे आहेत. That means red color and white color expresses them in F1 generation partially. See here the graphical representation. P generation, that means pure line generation or a parent. Red color whose genotype is R, white color flower whose genotype is r. Okay. In F1 generation, we found all pink color flower with a genotype R, that means heterozygous. Then in F2 generation, we find one red flower, two pink flower and one white flower. That means the ratio is 1:2:1. Here the genotypic ratio is 1 R is to 2 R is to 1 r. Here again the phenotypic ratio is 1 red flower, 2 pink flower and 1 white flower. In incomplete dominance, we came to know that the genotypic ratio and phenotypic ratio is similar, which is 1:2:1. Okay, in case of monohybrid, the phenotypic ratio was 3:1 and the genotypic ratio was 1:2:1. But in incomplete dominance, the genotypic and phenotypic ratio are similar, which is 1:2:1. Here are some other examples of incomplete dominance. Inheritance of a flower color in dog plant or snapdragon, whose botanical name is Antirrhinum. Okay, here also there are two traits, red color flower and white color flower, but in F1 generation all flowers are pink color. Then in human being, the incomplete dominance or clear examples of incomplete dominance are rare. But then also the child of a parent, each with curly hair and straight hair, will always have a wavy hair. Okay, so texture of hair is the example of incomplete dominance, in which the curly hair and straight hair, two traits are there. In F1 generation, we find the offspring with wavy hairs. Then again, the example that is carrier of Tay-Sachs disease, which is the infantile mental retardation, exhibit incomplete dominance. Okay, Tay-Sachs disease is a kind of disease in which the offsprings are mentally retarded. It shows the incomplete dominance. In other animals, the Andalusian chicken shows incomplete dominance in its feather color. Then again, when the rabbit with long and short fur are bred, the offspring produced will have the medium fur length. So, all these are the example which shows the incomplete dominance. So, in this lecture, we discuss about the incomplete dominance. Carl Coren discovered the incomplete dominance. He selected 4 o'clock plant, that is Mirabilis jalapa, in which he studied on the flower color. He crossed red color with white color, and in F1 generation he found the intermediate pink color flower. Then other examples are the inheritance of flower color in dog plant. In human beings, the texture of hair and Tay-Sachs disease. In other animals, the Andalusian chickens feather color and rabbits fur length. All these are the examples of incomplete dominance.